Hi, I'm Brooklyn Sayarden, and today I want to show you how to create a luxury Christmas table on a budget. I transfer my dining room space into this beautiful holiday masterpiece. And the best part is, you can find all these pieces on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description below. I created 5 bases for my centerpiece, and here's a quick breakdown on how I did it. Step 1. Prepare the translucent gels at least 8 hours in advance so they expand about a half of an inch for the gems to float. Step 2. Place the fairy lights in the vase. You can spiral them around or clump them together at the bottom. Keep the light switch outside the vase and then hide it underneath the gels and candle later. Step 3. Add a layer of gels, drop in the gems, and pour the water slowly. Final step. Place a floating candle on top and you're done. These vases are an easy way to add elegance to your table. This floating gem centerpiece, with its glowing lights and elegant candle, adds the perfect touch of sparkle and charm to your holiday decor. My dining room table is ready for the holidays. The glowing centerpieces, pre-lit garland with pink ornaments, and shimmering gold table runners all come together to create a luxurious look. Best of all, every piece is from Amazon. Check out the links in the description to recreate this setup at home. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved this look, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. And stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be sharing more festive tips to make your holiday season magical.